So good morning friends, welcome to my channel Edward Wings, and today we are back again with the 10 most important current affair of 27th of July 2020. So let's start with the first question. Our first question is about the Kargil Divas. So your question is, on which day Kargil Vijay Divas is observed? So option A is 24th July, option B is 25th July, C 26th July, or D 27th July. And I hope we all know that yesterday was the day when this Kargil Vijay Divas had been celebrated all over the country. And on this day, our great Indian soldier defeated the Pakistani conquerors in the Ladakh territory of Jammu and Kashmir, and they won that battle. And the name of that operation that was launched in 1999 to free the portion of Ladakh from the occupation of the Pakistani infiltration, and the name of that operation was Operation Vijay. So every year 26 July was celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas on the memory of the Indian victory over the Pakistani infiltration. So the next question is, which of the following NBFC launched the Restart Indian portal for the MSME? Your option A is Muthoot Finance Limited, option B is HDFC Ergo, option C is Aditya Birla Group, or option D is Reliance Group. So this Restart Indian portal has been launched for MSME sector, but who had launched this Restart Indian portal for MSMEs? So the right answer is option A, Muthoot Finance Limited had launched this Restart Indian portal for MSMEs. The third question is, which state has launched e-Sachivalya portal for the people to take appointment to meet with the chief minister of that state? So recently a state government has launched a portal named the e-Sachivalya portal, which will help the local people to take appointments in order to meet the chief minister of the state if they have any issue related to any field, which they can discuss with the chief minister directly by taking appointment through this e-Sachivalya portal. So your option A is Haryana, B Gujarat, C Punjab, D Odisha, and the right answer is option C, that is Punjab. So Punjab government has launched this e-Sachivalya app, which will assist the local people in taking appointments electronically through this portal in order to meet the chief minister of that state. Next question is, recently with which country India announced the signing of defense logistic sharing agreement? Option A is USA, option B is Russia, option C is Japan, option D is none of above. So the right option is option B, that is Russia. So India has signed with the Russia the defense logistic sharing agreement, and under this defense logistic sharing agreement, the forces of both the countries can use the land as well as the maritime territorial boundary of each countries related to the field of defense, the fueling of their naval vehicles, or the fueling of their air vehicles, and etc. So exchange of defense, we can say assistance, will be provided by both the sides forces of to the forces of each other's country. So India had signed this defense logistic share agreement with Russia in the recent time. Next question is, recently India has provided medical assistance of $1 million to which country? So India had provided the massive medical assistance of nearly about $1 million to which country in the recent time? And option A is Sri Lanka, B is Bhutan, C is North Korea, or D is none of the above. So your right answer is India had given this medical assistance of $1 million in the recent time to North Korea. So it's a strange from my point of view, but yeah, India want to maintain the cordial relationship with North America, and it's also the truth that North America had never threatened India in any matter, or North Korea had not posed any question related to any of the internal matter of India. So India needs to help North Korea at this time. Next question is, which country has ordered the closure of its consulate in the Houston, China? So which country has decided to close the consulate of China in the Houston area? So your option is A, USA, B, Italy, C, India, or D, none of the above. And the right answer is option A, USA. So USA has decided to close the Chinese embassy, we can say, at Houston, because of having allegations that Chinese consulates are acting as a spy on Americas, and they are stealing the information related to the technological information, and especially the information related to the research program undergoing in the American laboratories related to the development of COVID-19 vaccine. So upon these allegations, USA has decided to shut down the Chinese consulate in the Houston area of USA. Well, the next question is, which state government has approved the formation of digital economy mission? So which state has approved this digital economy mission? Your option A is Maharashtra, B Karnataka, C Gujarat, D none of the above. And the right answer is B Karnataka. So Karnataka government has decided to has approved the formation of this digital economy mission. Next question is, recently in which city of Rajasthan government has announced the establishment of first plasma bank? So we had listened about the state Delhi, who had set up the first plasma bank in the world in Delhi, but after Delhi, one city in Rajasthan also had decided to have their first plasma bank in the city of Rajasthan. So what's the name of that city? Option A is Ajmer, B Jaipur, C Bikaner, D none of the above. So right answer is option B, that's Jaipur city of Rajasthan has decided to set up the first plasma bank of Rajasthan in Jaipur. Next question is, recently which countries 90 scientists from the government nuclear institute, that is INEST, resigned together? So it's a shocking news for that country that together the 1990 century 90 scientists of a country has resigned from its nuclear institute, that is INSAT, and that country is no doubt China. There are some internal problems which had not been highlighted by these scientists. They just had given the personal issues related to their resigns, but yeah, we can say that it's a very big blow to the China, because 90 scientists who are resigning together from their nuclear institute is a thing of worry for China. So the right option is China, option B. The next question is, which state government has approved the canal-based water project? So we had seen many water projects, the water hydropower projects in various part of the country, various part of the globe, various part of our own state also. But it's the first time that some state government in India is deciding to set up a water project which will be canal-based. means through this water project the canals will be digs which will provide the irrigation facilities. Apart from providing the hydroelectric power potential, it will provide the water for irrigation through the canals, which will use the water of this project in order to helps the farmer. So your option is Rajasthan B, Gujarat C, Punjab D, none of the above. And no doubt that Punjab government has decided to set up this canal based water project. So the right answer is Punjab. So that's all from this section, and I would like to say before ending this video that if you like the content of this video, do subscribe the channel, and do like this video as well if you like the content. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you, have a nice day, and take care.